Today we are going to do assessment, but we are going to do it through Kahoot. So those of you who couldn't get the link to do the test, you are welcome to do it through here. All right. So I will open up, then you will get the pin, and then you log in, and then there we go. All right. So you are welcome. Let's get going. All right. It's loading up. Yeah. Okay. There we go. All right. So watch. So the game pin is, look at the game pin there. The game pin is 99099945. Yes, I can see in Tlantla here. I can also see Han. All right, join up. Yeah, I can see Teza. Yes, join up, join up. I've got 3 players here. Join up, join up, join up, join up, join up. Okay, let's get going. Busiwa, if you have anything, send me a message. Yes, Musa is here. Five to go, 5 learners to go. But if I can get 6, I'll start playing the game. All right, let's get going. Let's get going. All right, Katleho is also here. All right, in the next 60 minutes. All right, I have Princeton. Princeton is here. Okay. All right, Lesedi is also here. It's a very good number. Then I go. Let's go on. All right. Very good. So we have got 30 questions. So let's go. The nucleus of an atom consists of, okay, 1, electrons and neutrons, B, electrons and protons, protons and neutrons. Yeah, the clock is ticking. Yeah, the clock is ticking. Okay, so I've got 3 people who answered it correctly, and the other 3 didn't choose or selected the wrong one. So let's see those who did answer first. Okay, I have Teza, Han, and followed by Leshedi. Let's go to the next question. Identify the separation most appropriate to the following mixtures. All right. So you have got options A, B, C, D. All right. So mixture of liquids, a solution. If they are solution, what method do we use? And if they are also insoluble, the clock is ticking. Let's do this. Okay, there we go. No one answered. The correct answer is D. but most of you were referring to A, so you got it wrong. Let's go to the next question. All right, the scoreboard is still the same Teza, followed by Han and Mercedes. Let's get moving. Question 3. How are compounds formed? How are compounds formed? All right, a new substance are formed by chemical reactions. B, they are formed by air and the chemicals. And then C, I have absolutely no idea. Let's get going. Very good. 5 people got this one right and 3 people got it wrong. Let's go on. Let's see the one who answered first. Yes, it was Mosa, followed by Natalie and Teresa. Let's go. Question 4. Question 4. Ionic compounds form A, staff. B, shining structures. C, alkali earth metals. And D, crystal structures. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. There we go. One person got this one right. Let's go on. Who is that person? Is Teresa. I can see your messages. Let me quickly check them and see what you're saying. All right. Natalie, concentrate and forget about the hippo. All right. Okay, let's go on. Which of these compounds contain the most elements? A table salt, we have got carbon dioxide, we have got a baking soda, and we have got vinegar. Which of them? Most metals. You all got it wrong. Okay, let's go to the next. Let's go to the next. So the scoreboard still remains the same. Question 6. The separation methods are magnetic attraction, evaporation, distillation, burning, cooking, distillation, magnetic attraction, filtration, magnetic attraction, evaporation, filtration, distillation, and magnetic attraction, evaporation, and filtration. There you go. That is good. 5 of you got it right. Let's go to the next question. Yes, Lesedi answered first, followed by Teresa, Han, and Mosa, and Natalie. Let's go. Question 7. Particle model of matter. What is the particle model of matter talking about? All matter is made up of tiny particles that are constantly in motion. That is A, B. All matter is made up of. Okay. Only one person got this one right. Let's go. Let's see this person who got it. Yes, it's Teresa. All right, let's go to the next question. The following methods will only separate mechanical mixtures. What are they? Floating or settling, sieving, filtering, and all of these methods. Yeah, the clock is ticking. Let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get going. Yes, it's time. Very good. All the above and 4 got this one right, and only 3 didn't get. Let's move to the next. So it's Natalie, followed by Atlanta, and then Teresa. Let's get going. Question 9. What is the name of this atom? So you just need to look at the diagram or the picture. What is the name? What is the name? If the clock is ticking, the clock is ticking. Yep, very good. 5 of you got it right, 2 never got it wrong. But let's see who answered first. Yes, Mosa, followed by Kristen. You also have Teresa. All right, let's get going. Question 10. What are compounds composed of? Molecules of elements, 2 or more mixtures, homogeneous mixtures, atoms and subatomic particles. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. Let's get going. Let's get going. Very good. 2 people got this one right. And the other 5 you chose 2 or more mixtures, and then some even took atoms and subatomic particles. No, that was not properly answered. Okay, let's go to the next. Who answered well first? Mosa and Teresa. Let's get going. Question 11. What is a mixture? What is a mixture? What is a mixture? A physical combination of chemical combinations, both physical and chemical, and all of the above. Yeah. Oh, physical combination. The correct answer is the physical combination of, or meaning you never answered it. All of you never got it. So the scoreboard still remains the same. Let's go to question 12. In this particular model, the particles are a regular pattern and vibrate in a fixed position. That's one. Randomly arranged and move freely but remain close together. That's B. And C. Randomly arranged and move freely far apart at high speed. Let's check it out. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. Very good. Yeah, you got this one right. All of you, congratulations. All the 7 of you got it right. But let's see who answered it first. Who was the first to answer? Yes, it's Teza, followed by Lisedi, Musa, Natalie, and Princeton. Let's move forward. Question 13. The red subatomic particles. So you just need to check this diagram. You have this one in the nucleus. So the red subatomic particles is representing what? Represent the protons, represent the electrons, or represent the neutrons. The clock is ticking. Let's get going. Yeah, there we go. Okay, you all did well. 6 of you, but one didn't appear here. Let's see. Yeah, Teza, you are first to answer it. Natalie, followed by Musa, followed by Lesedi, Musa, and Princeton. Let's go to the next question 14. Name 2 examples of static electricity. Combine combing your hair, walking on a carpet in socks, electromagnetic toaster, the sunlight and the flashlight, nuclear bomb and dynamite. Very good. It's when you are combing your hair or you're walking on a carpet in socks, you see some sparks. All right, let's go. The scoreboard, yeah, Lesedi has overtaken Teza, and Lesedi has the highest answer streak of 3. So let's see who is going to dethrone Lesedi. Let's go to question 15. What elements do all organic compounds contain? Let's get going. Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, helium. What elements do all organic compounds contain? Let's get going. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. 1, 2, 0. All right. Oh, only one person got this. So no, now all organic compounds contain what? Carbon. So let's see the one who answered it. Let's see the one who answered it. Yeah, it's Lesedi. Lesedi is now having 4 streak. 4 straight. This particular model represents, okay, you just need to look at the diagram and it will inform you. Is it a solid? Is it a liquid? Is it a gas? Or all of the above? Very good. 6 of you are correct. That's representing a gas. So let's see who answered it first. Yes. It's Princeton, followed by Mosa and Atlanta, and also Lesedi. But Lesedi is still on the scoreboard. 17. The nucleus contains the following subatomic particles. What are they? Let's see. Protons and electrons, neutrons and electrons, protons, neutrons and electrons, protons and neutrons. Which is the correct answer? Let's get going. The clock is ticking now. It's ticking. Be fast. Be fast, or else you will be left out. Yes, the subatomic particles that are contained in the nucleus are protons and neutrons. And then 3 of you got that correct, and 4 didn't get it. So let's see who answered first. Yes, Natalia answered that, followed by Teza, Princeton, Lesedi. All right, is somebody saying something there? It's easy. Are you sure? Okay, let's go. If it's easy. But if you say it's easy, make sure that you get total. What is an atom? What is an atom? What is an atom? A ball, a chocolate, a subatomic particle, a basic unit of element. The time is going. 6. All right. 5 of you got that right and 2 got it wrong. The basic unit of chemical element. Okay, Lesedi is still on the scoreboard. Let's go to question 19. Who discovered static electricity? So let's see whether it's getting easier or difficult. Ben Franklin, Benjamin Franklin, Franklin Ben, Benjamin Franklin. Which of them? Let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get going. There we go. It was Benjamin Franklin. 4 of you got that right. And let's see who was the first person to answer among the 4. Hey, Ted, that was the first, followed by Lesedin, Plantler, and Mosa. All right. Teza has overthrown Lesedi, and Teza has got a highest answer streak of 4. Let's get going. Question 20. This particular model represents what? You just look at the diagram. Yes, is it a solid? Is it a liquid? Is it a gas or all of the above? Let's check that out. Let's check that out. Okay, it represents a liquid and all of you got it right. Let's see. Okay, Teza is still leading, but Mosa was the very first person to answer. And Plantler is now having a streak of 3 questions correctly. What is static electricity? What is static electricity? Electric current, stationary electric charge, electric waves, static electricity. Let's go. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's only one person got one. Static electricity is stationary electric charge. All right, let's go. Yes, here is only Mosa who got this correct. Let's go to question 22. This particular model represents what? Yes, is it a gas, is it a solid, is it a liquid, or all of the above? Let's see. So if you look at this one, 7, all of you got it right. Congratulations. Let's move on. Yes. All right, let's go. Question 23 of 30. The negative subatomic particle is atoms, protons, neutrons, electrons. 9, 7, 6, 4, 6. 6 people got this one right except 1. Let's go to the next. Mosa has a streak with 6 correct answers in a row. Congratulations, Mosa. You and Natalie was the first person to answer this question. All right, let's go to question 24. What do you call the center of an atom? What do you call a shell, orbit, nucleus, subshell? Let's get going. Let's get going. 8. All right, it's the nucleus, and 6 people got this one right except 1. Let's see. Okay, Teza, in that order. Let's go to the next question 25. What are the subatomic particles? If you were following, this should be an easy take home. Ions, cations, anions, protons, neutrons, electrons, H2O, H3O, nucleons, neutrons, and protons. What is the correct answer? Let's get going. 29, 28. Very good. 6 people got this one right except 1. Let's go on. Yeah, Natalie has now strict of 4 correct answers. 26. A homogeneous mixture A homogeneous mixture is what? A normal mixture, a mixture that is difficult to separate, a mixture that is easily separated, a mixture containing two or more substances. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, which one? Very good. A mixture that is difficult to separate. Okay, so let's look at the scoreboard now. Combo breaker. 3 players just dropped their answer streak of 4. So now 4 of you have got your answers straight away. You'll be able to answer 1, 2, 3, 4 questions in a row. Congratulations. Let's go to question 27. Which subatomic particles are found outside the nucleus? We have the electrons, we have the protons, we have the neutrons, and we also have the what? The atomic mass. Yes, the correct one is electrons. Let's go on. Natalie is now 6 correct answers in a row. Let's go on. Princeton was the one who answered firstly. Okay. Separating compounds using electricity is called electrovalency, electromagnetism, electrolysis. This is impossible. Let's 10, 9, 8, 7. The clock is ticking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. The correct answer is 2, and only 2 people got this one right. Let's see who are those. It's Teza and Lisady. Let's get going. 29. The particle model of matter is used to explain the behavior of substances. False, true, true, false, no idea. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. 2, 1, 0. Yes, 6 people got this one right, and only 1 person got it wrong. Yes. Let's go to the last. Lisady has now 3 straight. Let's go to the last question. What is an atom? This is a bonus because it's repeating for the second time. Somebody must dethrone Caesar. Congratulations. The smallest particle of a chemical, the smallest particle of a chemical element that can exist. All right, so let's see the one who, yes. Let's look at the podium. Musa got 18 out of 30. Mercedes 20 out of 30. And Caesar 20 out of 30. So, congratulations. Now let's go and look at our percentages. Okay, so let's view the report. 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 If just be a bit patient, it's loading up. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Yes. All right. Now let's see the players. Okay. We had 9 players, and then let's see. Yes. By percentages, you can see that Teza got 67%, Lesedi also 67%, followed by Mosa 60, Natalie 53, Princeton 50, and Tlantla 40, Katleho 43, Han 7, and Tlantla. Okay, now by Tlantla, you can see these 3 cross fingers. It means Tlantla was the person who was able to answer questions correctly in a row. Okay, now unanswered questions, so you can see that. Let's see students who didn't finish. Let's see students who didn't finish. Who are those who didn't finish? Okay. All right. Okay. All of you finished up. Okay. So all of you finished up. Um, all right. Let me just go back a bit. Let me go back a bit. Let me go back a bit. Let me go back a bit. Remember we had 30 questions. All right. And then, yep, I wanted this one. So once again, you can take a snapshot. Then if your parents should ask you whether you did the test, then you will show them, and then the percentages are there. So Teza and Lisedi have got 67%, but Teza is in front because Teza was the first person to answer some of the questions. So that's why the final score for Teza is 19,664, followed by what? Lesedi, which is 18,600 and what? 422. So congratulations. And then we have come to the end of the class. And if you have any question, you can ask before I close off. All right. You all did well. That's true. Keep it up. Oh no, I will just wait for what the HOD will tell me. If we have to do the test, maybe we'll do a different one. But for now, we are done with the test. Okay. All right. So please, if your parents should ask you whether you did the test, because some of you complained that you couldn't get the link to the other test. Now that's why I'm creating using Kahoot so that we can do it. All right. Okay. In the absence of any question, let me see somebody's asking a question. Yeah, great job, everyone. I like the spirit. If you do well, you must congratulate your colleague. All right. Goodbye. We have come to the end of the presentation, and then see you tomorrow, and bye for now. I'm out of here. Okay.